to keep that this first piece in the side. This is Sally and Ethan doing unboxing
Just open
of
one
new
side.
ChromeCast.
Just open this side.
Yeah.
What is it?
So,
Maybe something.
Something nice.
No, open.
Yeah, two bedroom.
Sari is opening.
so already clicking it.
There is furniture in there, like which I can.
Come down, please come down. Ethan.
Come back to kids or something. If it's a family and they all
Daddy.
their furniture.
Then
That will be a little strong. Who's inside here? There's the bed.
Pumpkins.
The who?
The pumpkins.
The minions.
Okay. So we have the.
No.
Can we hold on, please?
Wait.
I want to see. Take out the beans.
That's what I'm saying. Can you just be careful? Because 1 second, hold on. I want to get on slow.
No, keep it down. I'm catching it from top.
Then what would if the person I had planned to give one bedroom all kitchen so that I keep all the furniture in one room.
My cup is there, Ethan. Please be careful.
Yeah, then that's why I don't mind. I must say it's a good person who giving the
Hey,
furniture.
nobody gonna video you in this place quietly.
Yeah,
Chrome.
okay. Whatever you say.
I'm catching.
Yes, show me the side. The side.
Thank you, Dev.
Can you hold it a little bit, darling? Thank you. Mother, can you open it?
Bye.
Slowly, there is a this thing here.
6,000 is the rent. I found out I went to the east.
At 6,000 is really nice.
Huh?
Nice place. This is not bad.
He is saying he's got plumber, painter, this, that, everybody.
Slowly.
If you want, we can. I can
Sit
give
down.
you.
Let me show you things that are there.
1 minute, baby.
Can you sit down off the table?
Let him.
Open. Open nicely like this. Thank you. Now open it, please. Open, Nana. Not from there, from here, from the side. Just open it. Slowly. Just put your hand there.
Show daddy. Open and show daddy.
What's this inside?
It's called a chrome pot.
They called it.
Press.
Cast. Make your own thing now.
Press your heart. Put it. Now please give it to your father.
No, I'm see. See that? Yes, it went the dunk.
Your flag. How was school today?
Come, enough, you don't have to take that
See
out.
the dunk.
1 second, let me see it now. You saw it now.
Careful with it.
Man phone, no Dennis. Alvarez.